Alright, today we're going to do best fit lines, and we're only going to use a small example because it's... Okay, so we're going to start with these 3 points and we're going to put them on a graph here. And so, here's 2, 3, and 5, 5, and 7, 6. So, it's not a perfect line, it's somewhere close, it's pretty strong correlation. But what we're going to do is we're going to use our calculator to find out what is the best line that kind of goes through them. So there are the 3 points. First thing I want you to do is I want you to hit stat, and then hit enter. And then if you have anything in your columns, I want you to highlight L1 and hit the clear button. Not delete, clear. And then do the same thing with L2 and hit clear. Now in L1 goes the X values, and in L2 goes the Y values. So your computer should look like this: L1, 2, 5, 7, and then L2 we have 3, 5, 6. Once you have that in your calculator, hit second mode to quit. After you do that, you want to go back to your stat menu, and then you're going to hit the right arrow button to go over to the calc menu. Now if you look at number 4, it says LINREG, which stands for linear regression. So go down to number 4 and hit enter, or just press the number 4 and hit enter again, and you should see A equals 0.605 and B equals 1.84, and you may see an R and an R squared. We won't be looking at that. I'll tell you how to turn that on in class if you don't have it. The closer you are to 1 or -1, the better the line. But if we're just looking for the line, A stands for the slope and B stands for the y-intercept. So this is my answer for, forget about the x, for the equation of this line. Other things they may ask us to do with that is they want us to predict y when x equals 20. Well, easy enough. Just plug in the 20 and then we'll have our answer. And we get our predicted y as 13.94. We could also predict x when y equals, we'll use 20 again. So 20 equals 0.605x plus 1.84. So how are we going to solve this? Subtract the 1.84 from both sides, and we get 18.16 equals 0.605x. Divide both sides by 0.605, and x equals around 30. So that's a quick little one problem, 3 points on how to do the best fit line for Precalc.